today's video I have the April RoccaBox. This is going to be a quick video because I'm running really late with it, so let's get it out of here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. This is the April RoccaBox. So like I said before, I am running really late with this. If you have read my latest post that I put on the community bit of my channel, it just basically says my little hairy baby Freddie, well, my little old man, passed away unfortunately. So yeah, I am running a bit behind on my videos. Just opening up the box there, this is what it looks like inside. This is £15 per month. I will put a link down below in the information box and the comment box. I think it gets you 50% off, but I'm not sure. So if you want this box, click that link and yeah, it'll tell you what percentage you get off of it. It's £15 per month. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper it gets. So let's have a look. The April box is worth over £140 and it is called Skin Tech Heroes. Okie dokie. Let's get into it. Just notice as well, we have a QR code there, so yeah, no more edit cards or edit booklets. We have the QR code, so I'll scan that in a moment. There is a sneak peek for May. It is a Morad product if you are interested, with an RRP of £70. Is it just me, or are these boxes, that's smaller than a normal one, isn't it? To me it isn't anyway. I don't know. The first product we have is this. It is by the brand Kate Somerville and it has an RRP of £28. It's called Exfoliate, Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Known as Hollywood's 2-minute facial, this clinic-inspired facial treatment by celebrity facialist Kate Somerville is designed to reveal smoother texture and pores in just 2 minutes, with prepping your skin to better absorb the rest of your skincare regime. Yeah, but can't speak. But yeah, this is what we've got. Is this open? It is sealed. Yes it is. I'm going to leave that sealed. So there's 15 mils that you do get in here. Wow, worth £28. It just says use AM or PM, use once or twice a week, apply a thin even layer to clean wet face, massage it in circular motions for 30 seconds, leave on for up to 2 minutes and then rinse and pan dry. This product may cause your skin to tingle and flush slightly for a short time, but don't worry about it. So yeah, love this brand. And product we have in the box is this. I love that packaging. This is by the brand Umberto Giannini and it's a scalp rescue mask with an RRP of £9.95. It just says say goodbye to the itch and hello to healthy revitalized hair with this Umberto Giannini scalp rescue mask. This soothing pre-treatment anti-dandruff scalp mask is the ultimate solution to all your scalp problems. I'm quite lucky, I don't have, fingers crossed, and I never will have dandruff. But yeah, I mean, I'm still going to use it in anyway because I love this brand. Really nice, affordable hair care stuff, amazing. And it does say here it's got pineapple enzymes in it and salicylic acid. So that's going to be really great for your hair and scalp. But yeah, can't wait to try that. I really love that packaging. Is it open? Oh, it is. Let's just have a little play. I'll have to do a video on this. Oh my freaking god, that smells gorgeous. The third item in the box is this. How do you pronounce that? Oh my goodness. Flannery? I've just murdered that name, oh my goodness. This is Dark Circle Relief and Uplift Eye Serum with an RRP of £48. Wow. This innovative eye serum works to hydrate and revive delicate eye area by reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. Gently tap the pump of the serum around your eye area for the morning and evening. Allow product to fully absorb, applying your moisturizer. Okay. Is that open? It is. I really shouldn't be doing this, but you know, let's just have a look. So there it is there. Oh, it feels very light. I've just put my nose in it. Yeah, that smells really, really nice. Oh, and it feels really nice as well. It feels quite a little bit cooling on the skin too. Oh, lovely. The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Avant Skincare, and it's the Hello Replenishing Lip Balm worth £56. Oh my god. It just says, for satin smooth hydrated lips, this soothing balm leaves skin irresistibly soft, youthful and nourished. I have literally just finished one of these. I think it was in, was it my last Beauty MDs or the one before? Yeah, it is very, very nice. I think I'm going to put that in a future giveaway because like I say, I've just finished one. But yeah, wow, Avant. The fifth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Lucy B, and it's SPF 30 Face Serum. You get 2 3ml little sachets here worth £3. Protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays all year round with Lucy B's SPF 30 Face Serum. This vegan, palm olive free, broad spectrum sunscreen is lightweight, silky and perfect for sensitive skin. Perfect for on the go. Each sachet contains enough for at least 2 uses. Okay, I love SPF, so yeah, that's going to go in my drawer. That'll definitely get used. I try and use it all year round when I can remember. My memory is so bad, but yeah, I have melasma, so I really do try and remember. Just found this. I think this is what that came in. Let's just open that up there. Yeah, the sachets were in there, and then I just destroyed that getting into it. Okay, and it just says here, enjoy 20% off our full-sized SPF 30 face serum 50ml with code ROCCA20, usually £22.50, £18 with a discount. Hi guys, this edit is called Skin Tech Heroes. This is the April box. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a really nice little box. I can't wait to use the Kate Somerville product. I can't wait to use the hair mask. The eye serum sounds, or eye cream sounds really good. I can't wait to slap that on under my eyes. The Avant lip balm, as I say, it's quite a nice product. I'm going to put that in a future giveaway. But yeah, wow, expensive. I personally, if I'm honest, it's nice, but I don't see that as a product because it's just 2 tester sachets basically. But yeah, I think overall I'm quite happy with that. Definitely feel like I've got my money's worth, which is the most important thing. What do you think with this box? Do you like it? Do you not? What are your thoughts? Comment down below. But if you do want to sign up to this box, click the link in the information box or the comment box and it'll get you a percentage off. I think it's 50%, I'm not sure, so check it out. But that concludes this video. I would like to thank everybody for the messages that I have received about my little Freddie. It really means a lot. So yeah, thank you so much. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.